it up.
We're cooking with E.L'nae. So no, we're gonna cook E.L'nae and my sister Brittany. We're gonna cook Taco Tuesdays. Okay. Let's get started with this video. Turn it off. Okay, so the ingredients that we have are a taco kit. We have this. I don't know why we have beans for tacos. That's her, not me. We have ground beef. We have cilantro. Oh, I love cilantro, guys. I love it. And then we have some rice, a lime, and lemon. We're also making rice and cilantro. We're gonna put that together like Chipotle. So let's get started with the cooking. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna start with getting a glass of wine because you can't cook not drunk. Get her. Okay, good. That's a nice little Cabernet here. Okay. So next, we're gonna take the hamburger from the thing. Do it. We're gonna take the hamburger from the ground. Don't take the hamburger from the ground. Oh, make sure you wash your hands. The hamburger in the pan. You have to come closer. And over a little bit. Right there. So we're gonna put this in the pan like that. Hey guys. Hey. So you just want to break up the meat like this, like so.
Bruce called me from the Paul's office, and Donna came and got me, and another guy went in.
We're gonna let that cook, and I'll be back. Okay, so now that your meat is cooked, it should look like this. And now we're going to drain it, but I'm not going to drain it because I might burn myself. So my mother's going to drain it for me. I don't care. I'm not draining it. Please drain it. You got to get all the grease out because you don't want your food to be greasy. And that's all you do. And this is how you drain it. It's time for some. What is that? See all that grease? You do not want it. So, we're going to open this. Why is it still beginning? It's still hot. Over here. So, it comes with soft shell tacos. And you want to put, I don't even know where the measuring cup is, but you want to put water and the taco seasoning into the meat. And you need 2/3 cups of water. Okay, so you want 2/3 cups of water. Really? And then you want your seasoning. Yes, I do, and I have 4,000 subscribers.
So what should we go and edit? It's random things, I guess.
Brittany, your water's boiling. Okay. And this is all you want to do, and your taco is finished.
Really?
Now,
the taco.
The meat is finished.
Don't feel like doing that anymore.
I'm using 1 cup. 1 cup of rice.
I'm damn sure that is.
Yeah, I guess that'd be nice.
What's your next thing on the list?
Yeah, that and bar stools.
What's that, counter height?
Counter height.
Yeah. Bar stool should be easy to find.
No, I already know the ones Okay. Okay, so that's rice. There you go. Now we're just gonna let that boil for 15 minutes, and I'll be right back.
So these are refried.
You gotta speak up louder.
So these are refried beans. All I did was open the goddamn can, put it in the damn pan, heat it up. You cannot fail.
And this is the rice, it's still cooking, and the meat is just sitting over there, and
It's just sitting.
and these things are in the microwave heating up.
They're out. I need to wash some plates.
And this is sour cream, and we got some tomatoes. I don't eat that. We got some cheese. We got some guacamole. We got a lime for the rice. Come. Hi. This is my cousin Ayana. I know she's taller than me, so this is a lot. Oh, it's okay. Anyway, this is a lime. Getting the lime in there. It's getting on my nerves too. Who? What? Okay, let's get that lime juice in there. Look at this in there. I know I'm number one, Erica. You don't have to. Did you tell them you was cutting a lemon? Did you?
They can see that I'm cutting a lemon.
Okay. Unless oh no. Okay, I'm cutting a lemon. Okay. That's enough. Let me get that seed in there. This rice is hot, so this kind of hurts. Okay, we're gonna get some cilantro and just break it up just a little bit. I really like those chunks of cilantro. You know, those big chunks of cilantro. Me too. I love cilantro. So we're not gonna mince this really fine. We're just gonna leave them in big chunks. Okay. Okay, big chunks. I'm gonna mix that around. Mix that in there. This is just like chipotle rice. It is.
Oh, do you smell that cilantro? Do you smell that cilantro?
No. Oh, yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Don't lie.
Sorry. I didn't smell it though.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Okay. Okay, we're mixing.
And your rice is done. Your rice is done.
Your rice is done. Okay, don't drop the rice on the floor now.
Don't do that. Pick that up. Okay, done.
Ew.
And then we congratulate ourselves with another glass of wine.
But this is it. Did you want guacamole? No, I don't want no damn guacamole. This was our cooking show. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you do, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and comment down below. Do what? Comment down below. And what? Subscribe. And subscribe. Happy New Year's. What? Bye guys. You can see the TV right there. Another table.